Hey everybody, welcome back. So we just got done executing our application, our Hello World application, and now all I want to do is I kind of want to revert back to the traditional way of writing a Hello World program. So with that being said, all I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of all the contents within this application, within this file, I'm sorry, and from here we'll start from scratch. So I'm going to declare a class. So what this class is going to be called is it's going to correlate to the file that I named within the program. So this is called program.cs. So we're going to create a class called program, and then we'll have our open and closing curly brackets. And essentially all files within a .NET project, uh, within a C Sharp program has a class. And this just happened, the name happens to correlate with the name of the file. And from here, what we're going to do is we're going to define a main method. So there's different types of methods that we can define within a class, but a main method is probably one of the most important methods within the application because it pretty much just tells the CLR, which is a common language runtime that .NET and C Sharp uses, that search for this main method and keep executing whatever contents are within this main method until you're finished. So in order to define this main method, we're going to type in static void main, and then we are going to have our open close parentheses, and we'll talk about this more later within the course, but for now I just kind of want you guys to get the basic understanding down. We'll pass in some arguments, and here is our main method. So this is what .NET and will tell the CLR, which is the common language runtime, to look for when we execute our applications. Hey, look for this main method, which happens to exist in this class right here. And what it will do is it will execute the contents within this main method until it's complete. So let's go ahead and bring back our print statement. So we'll do system.console.writeLine, and we'll pass in the arguments hello world again. So I have open close quotes, and we'll type in hello world. Let's put a comma between the hello, and then we always end our statement with a semicolon. And we'll talk about this later as well within the course. But from here, you guys, what we'll see here is that we'll get the same input in the result. Let me just save my file, and then we'll do a .NET run again. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to push up on my development PowerShell, and I'm going to click enter. And from here, we can see that we have the same result.